Today on JCM Academy Masterclass, we're going to talk about how and why it's important to share your business goals. Stay tuned. I'll see you in class. Hi everyone, I'm John C. Morley, serial entrepreneur, your coach. Why is it important to share your business goals? And then how do you share them? Well, we've talked about this in other JCM Master Academy classes. If no one knows that you're building a 25 feet skyscraper, how is anyone ever going to be on board to help you build your dream? So if no one knows your goals, how are they going to act in a manner that is going to bring you closer to what you want, your goals? But how do you actually share goals? That's a great point. Do you just tell people, hey, my goal is that I want to open this cafe, or my goal is that we're going to be at 5 million. My goal is that we want to have a company that does this with our clients, or we want to exceed their expectations. That's great. It's good to have those in meetings, but that's not enough. It's got to be in writing. I encourage you to do something like a team retreat. Take your staff away. Let them know what your company's vision and mission is all about. And tell them why you've selected that vision. Because the why is what's going to empower your team to act with even more passion. Now, they're going to do what you want because they're employees and staff. But if they have passion and they believe in why you've selected these visions and goals, they're going to be right on board just like you are. So make it an activity, and you can have people learn your goals. You can have signs around your office. You can have them as days of the week on your calendar and say, on Monday is go out of your way extra to respect management day, or whatever you want to do. The whole clue is to make sure that everything keeps repeating in a way that's fun, interesting, and will get people to engage. It's also important that if people have questions about your goals, that you're open to answering them, because maybe they might pose something to you that could shape your goal to become even better. So as managers, as owners, as other C-level executives, take the feedback of your staff, whether it's from another C-level executive, whether it's from interns, whether it's from salespeople, whether it's from tech people, whether it's from janitorial staff, or whether it's from a vendor or a client. Take that feedback, because that could be the missing link that could propel your company into an entirely new set of revenue you didn't even believe was possible. So now you know how to share them. You can also put them on an intranet site so that your staff can look at them. Make them part of your new hire packet so that they understand them and they're part of your training. When you bring people on for your onboarding, make sure you spend a few minutes explaining what they are. Have these people restate back to you, what are your goals? And ask them questions. What do you think about this? Do you agree with them? That's basically what you want to do. Make it fun, and remember that this process is going to keep morphing and changing. And as it does, your success will keep escalating up the ladder, as long as you remember that no goal is ever final, as it keeps changing and evolving. And the pathway to get there may not come in the hat that you expected or the little package you wanted, right? It may come in an entirely different way. So be open to the way your goals will manifest. Hey everyone, I'm John C. Morley, serial entrepreneur, your coach, and I want to thank you for tuning into another JCM Academy Masterclass. Give me some love. Hit the thumbs up button, smash the bell notification icon, click on the subscribe button so YouTube will be able to serve this out to other interested people like you that want to learn more about business and coaching and how they can actually become more efficient and engage with their staff and their clients to have an even more successful, profitable business. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, success is not a destination. It is a step we take journeying forward every day to become just a little bit better. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you again in another JCM Academy Masterclass.